How did the Southern Manifesto argue against equal protection? Imagine a time when the nation was deeply divided over civil rights and the fight for equality. The Southern Manifesto, written in 1956 by a group of Southern politicians, was a response to the landmark Supreme Court decision in Brownv Board of Education, which declared racial segregation in public schools unconstitutional. This document expressed strong opposition to the ruling and laid out a series of arguments against the principle of equal protection under the law. The authors of the Southern Manifesto claimed that the Supreme Court's decision violated the rights of states to govern themselves. They argued that the federal government was overstepping its authority by intervening in state matters, particularly regarding education. By asserting that states had the right to maintain segregation, they positioned their argument as a defense of state sovereignty against federal encroachment. Additionally, the manifesto suggested that the Brown decision was based on flawed legal reasoning and that it disregarded the historical context of the Constitution. The signers contended that the framers of the Constitution did not intend for the Equal Protection Clause to apply in a way that would dismantle segregation. They believed that maintaining separate educational facilities for different races was not inherently discriminatory, claiming that it was a matter of tradition and social order. Furthermore, the Southern Manifesto emphasized the potential consequences of desegregation, arguing that it would lead to social chaos and unrest. The signers expressed concerns that mixing races in schools would disrupt the educational environment and harm the social fabric of Southern society. They portrayed their stance as a means of preserving peace and stability in their communities. In conclusion, the Southern Manifesto presented a multifaceted argument against equal protection by invoking states' rights, questioning the legality of the Supreme Court's ruling, and warning of the societal implications of desegregation. This document reflects the resistance to change that characterized the era and highlights the complexities surrounding the fight for civil rights in the United States.